Hi, my name is Pranav and you are watching my YouTube channel Unboxing Tech. Today I have a earphone with me to unbox Amazon Basics in-ear earphones from Amazon company. Yes, it's a Amazon product. The main feature of this earphone is its low price. We can see Amazon Basics branding on the front of the box. On the back, name of the commodity is Amazon Basics in-ear earphones blue. On this model there is no mic. MRP of this product is quoted on the box is 695 rupees, but you can get it around for 349 rupees in Amazon. It is manufactured in China and imported by Cloudtail India Private Limited, which is a part of Amazon. Let's quickly unbox the product. In front you can see the Amazon Basics in-ear headphone in blue color, some ear tips. There is no user manual or any other item inside the box. The package is very simple. This is the earphones. 3.5 mm jack is not gold plated, it is silver plated. These are the in-ear tips of this earphone. This earphone is made up of plastic but with good material. Product is very strong. For 299 rupees you can consider these earphones. Thank you for watching my video.